And this will be a cold start here on my Troy Bilt TB230 here at Emerald, North Carolina. And this is the first grass cutting since the Hurricane Matthew came through here. Cleaned up a lot of debris. We're going to add some year-end stable to the gas because it's going to get used less and less as the year goes by. Didn't really have any damage. I got some shingles that came off. But this palm tree is leaning. We're not sure exactly what to do with this yet. So that's the only real damage. Broke a couple limbs off there as well. Grass is looking really well for this time of year, and it'll slowly start going dormant as the late fall and winter comes in. Hydrangeas plants look like they really got whipped pretty bad from Hurricane Matthew. Really just tore those up. All in all, not bad. Pretty typical. Other than that, just a lot of limbs. Nothing real bad happened here at Emerald. We were very lucky. So let's give that Troy Bilt a start and clean this yard up. And this is one of several shingles I've seen laying around here. So I have to get up there and check the roof. So let's see how well this Troy Bilt's going to start today. Here we go. Not bad. And for this time of year, this lawn is looking really good, still green. Our banana tree got a little beat up from Hurricane Matthew. Overall, not too bad. And this Troy Bilt did a great job mulching those leaves up. Got the flamingos back out here since Hurricane Matthew. Very nice time of year here at Emerald, North Carolina.